Hi, welcome to exchange-times.net. So my machine died last week and I was forced to do an upgrade. So I have to rebuild motherboard, CPU, RAM, and I got a new NVMe for my disk for my main OS. Well, I'm just using 1 terabyte for my OS now. So I thought let me create a few videos to show how to do some things on Pop OS using the VM. So I had to try and install the VMware VM Tools, which I struggled with. So if you go to virtual machine and you say install VMware Tools, you'll see it's not there. Say install, and you're getting this error. And even if I go to this website, it's just a mess. So honestly, since Broadcom's taken over, it feels a bit clunky to get your hands on the software and getting stuff working. But I'm here to show you how to install the VMware Tools. So the reason for installing it is for simple things like enter full screen. You'll see it's not going into full screen, right? Copy and pasting commands from your host to your guest, sharing USB or disks or shares, things like that. So let's go back to exit full screen. So what you want to do is just want to open the terminal. This should work on any Ubuntu based Linux operating system. So what you'd want to do is apt um, install open VM tools. So it's apt space install space open dash VM dash tools, and you'd want to run that with sudo like that. Pass your password to ask you, do you want to continue? And you say yes. Nice and fast. And then the next one you might want to install is the open dash VM dash tools dash desktop. Um, so it's an additional package that uses a Zorg library. So I am going to sudo apt install space. What was it? Open dash VM dash tools dash desktop. And there we go. So let's see if we can now go into full screen mode yet. And there we go. And that's how you install the VM tools on VMware Player. So I'm using VMware Player now. I quite enjoy it. It was a mission to get the install. I found one on techspot.com for installation. Enjoying VMware or VMware Player, I think it's called. Also for my other labs and stuff I need to run for my studies. So yeah, this is it. Next video is gonna show how to install Lutris. Oh, not install Lutris, but when you have Lutris, you can't install Battle.net. But that's in the next video. I hope this is helpful to anyone watching because I struggled a bit to get this up and running. Have a good one. Bye bye.